What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. In this video I'm going to show you how to remove and reinstall this inside liftgate panel on this 2012 Ford Escape. If you need parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. Right, we're going to open the liftgate. Now we want to remove these Phillips head screws. Just use a Phillips head screwdriver. Get those out. Just gonna pull down right here, pull down here. You can use a trim tool and get underneath there. Pull it down a little bit. It's not gonna come out all the way. I have to release the lift glass right here. Release that, and there's a section right here over this latch. So I kind of need to push it out. As I push it out, just lift it over. And you can slide this panel right out of the way, just like that. All right, we want to take this panel, we want to slide this part over the latch right here. So with that lift glass open, slide that over. Once that's slid over, we'll try to get these push retainers in. And those are all lined up. Just put these 4 screws in using a Phillips head screwdriver. All right, close that, make sure that's good.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1aauto.com, your place for DIY auto repairs, for great parts, great service, and more content.